Yes, Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you some resources which I used as a beginner of English language, and I still remember when I was learning this language, and I started to learn how to learn speak in English, and that time I have no resources. That time I have no idea which kind of resources I can use. Okay, so that time I was struggling with different kind of tips and tricks and methods, and some tips and tricks helped me, but some tips and tricks and methods disguide me. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you all the resources which helped me a lot. Okay, because I know it is very much obvious when we are going to learn any kind of language, so we always feel that how to learn, where to learn, what to do, what to learn, what to read, what to listen. So there are so many questions running in our mind in we are going to learn any kind of language. Actually, when we are in a beginning stage, when we are a learner or beginner, so because first of all, I would like to say you this video is dedicated for the beginners, for the learner. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you all the resources which is helped me, and it will also help you. Okay, so in this video, first I will talk about some YouTube channel which is very helpful, and after that I will talk about some podcast, and that after that I can talk about some reading books, some writing tips, and after that some speaking tips. Okay, so this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English, because this is a video for the beginners, for the learner who want to know how to speak in English fluently, who want to know how to start their journey. Without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, my today topic is that um, some resources which improves our fluency. Okay, so actually this is a video for the beginners, for the learner, and I remember when I was learning this language, when I was a beginner, when I was a learner, and that time I was struggling some resources. Okay, so that time it feel very difficult to learn this language, but today it is very easy if you know some right resources, if you know some right tips and tricks, so you can learn this language very easily. Okay, so this video is for the beginners. So if you are thinking that ma'am saying that this video is for the beginners, then why is she saying in English, is she talking in English? Why? Because I'm talking in English, because it is very important to know. If you want to learn any kind of language, then it is very important to familiar with the words, with the sounds. Okay, that's why I am talking with you in English. I am not talking with you in your comfortable language, that's such as Hindi. So in this video, first it is very important, I would like to say you, it is very important to familiar with some words of English and sentences. Okay, if you are a beginner, so you don't understand even the whole video, it's okay. It happens with me in an initial time. I feel very difficult to understand the whole video. So one video, I still remember that one video I was listening 10 or 12 times. Okay, and even I don't understand some sentences, some words, but after listening again and again, so it is going to familiar with me. So it is very important to make familiar, to get familiar all the words and sounds. That's why I am talking with you in English. Okay, so first of all, I would like to suggest you first YouTube channel. So the first YouTube channel is that Speak English with Tiffany. So this is a wonderful YouTube channel, and she is a native speaker. Apart from that, she speaks so slowly, so easily. Then the beginners, the learner who is new in this language, so they can easily understand everything. She is a wonderful lady. She has been teaching English for years. Okay, so this YouTube channel is very much helpful for the beginners, for the learner. Okay, so this is first YouTube channel that I have followed, and still I am following this channel. Okay, so the next YouTube channel which I'm going to share with you in this video is that Chit Chat. Chit Chat is this is also a native speaker, and this channel will help you so much. It will help you, it will improve your fluency, it will improve your how to speak in English with slowly and confidently. So there are two YouTube channel which I gave you in this video. So okay, so now we talk about the third YouTube channel. So the third YouTube channel which I'm going to share with you in this video, so now name is Gopal Das. Okay, so this is a wonderful YouTube channel. Recently I have encountered this channel, and this is a wonderful channel. He speaks so slowly, so easily, and everyone can understand this okay, this channel. Okay, so here I gave you three YouTube channel. Okay friends, and if you find this channel useful for it, then you can watch the different kind of content, different kind of videos. So it will help you to improve your fluency. Okay, so now let's talk about the some podcast channel. Okay, so here I'm going to give you some podcast channel. Why? Because there are a lot of people who have no lot of time to watching or to listening to watching the videos, to watching any kind of. So if they are free in office and anywhere, so they can listen, they can listen some podcast. Okay, so podcast is also very important to improve your fluency, to improve, to consuming a lot of content. It is very important. Okay, so some podcast channel is that Joe Stock. Okay, and Joe Stock is a YouTube channel. You, if you find some time, then you can go and visit a YouTube channel. If you have no time, lot of time, then you can hear podcast. Okay, and after that you can hear Chit Chat. Okay, Chit Chat is also a wonderful podcast. Okay, and after that I'm going to give you some books name, and some books book. Why I'm going to give you some books name? Because reading habit is improve your vocabulary. If you have no words, then how can you speak in English? Okay, you have to fill yourself a lot of words. So reading habit will improve your fluency, reading habit will improve your vocabulary power. Okay, when you read a book, so there are different kind of words you can find. Okay, so reading habit is very important. So but you can read motivational book, motivational. Because why I'm saying to read motivational because motivational books will also motivate you. Because in this journey it is very much obvious to feel like give up, to feel like it is very difficult, I can't pull this journey anymore. So if you read some motivational books, so this book will motivate you. Not only motivate you, it will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your know how to make a sentences in English. Okay, so there are different kind of benefit by reading. If you read, then you find different kind of benefit, you find different kind of changes, positive changes you have. Okay, so so I will give you some books name. So the first book name is Atomic Habit. This is a wonderful book. And the second book is name is You Can Win. Okay, so both are wonderful books. You can why? And if you think that you have no you have not so much money to spend by book. Okay, so you can buy some government books, English books. Okay, because some government English book and their English is very easy and easy understandable. Okay, so and after that I'm going to give you some writing tips. Okay, writing tips, I'm not going to give you a lot of tips. Okay, it is completely depend up to you what you want to write. It's depend on you, but I will give you some point, so you can write on this point. So the some point is that you can write your inspiration, you can write your weakness, you can write your strengths, morning habit, what you have done till morning to evening. You can describe your daily routine, you can describe your some incident which happened in with you. So there are some topic which you can write. Okay, if you write, then you have developed your writing skills. Okay, and the last point is that is speaking. So friends, it is a wonderful aspect, believe me. If you consuming a lot of content, a lot of always you are consuming, okay, and you are not going to output, you are not going to giving output, then everything is ruin. Okay, there is no good result you find. Okay, so what you need to do, it is very important to speak every day. Minimum 15 minutes is complete, minimum 15 minutes is enough. Okay, if you are a beginner, then first you don't prescribe yourself to don't pressurize yourself to consuming a lot of English content and speaking lot of. No, if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, then start your journey very slow, very slow. After you feel that now you can understand, now you can familiar with the words and sounds, you can understand what I'm saying in this video, and you can write, you can read, and after that you can increase your learning time. Okay, so friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, jai Siya Ram.